For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows, from just a spark. It's wondrous. I'm feeling down with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to very first shot, from trumpet to falling to learning to fly. Stroke of a pain to each motion that leaves me high. It's the magic that we find. It's the stars that we surprise. It's the fire of the butterfly.
can't help it all. Need some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share, but I'm and I know it's there. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales do come true, but you gotta make 'em happen on your own.
Will today be the day? Are you ready to fly? Continue to try.
Here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the hell chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the scores.
We could be immortals, immortal, but not for long, for long. Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in along with the band. We'll take you by surprise. It's me, the Mama's Wild Town.
So, don't die.
Sometimes the only way off of having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it. I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave us scarred. Scars can heal and reveal us where you are. anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together. Hay mariposas, no cierro temas, hay que crecer contigo, más adelante seguirás, ya son milagros, viendo grisas, hay que lograr, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no cierro temas, hay que crecer contigo, to fly apart. Wondrous around you, just let the clouds come down. Don't look behind you, right to the front. They don't do. Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
So, come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But who? It's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes